Looking for a unique experience this summer? How about racing across the sea in your own boat? You can apply for a boat license from the age of 14, and once you pass, you're officially a boat operator. But how can you prepare safely for the boat license? Mapsea navigation is essential. Regularly updated nautical charts. Real-time vessel tracking. Even includes an SOS function, no SIM card needed. Everything you need, in one app. What's on your summer bucket list? Subscribe to Mapsea and let us know in the comments. Download Mapsea navigation for free on the Play Store.